guys, what is up? Joe here, back at it again with another travel video, and welcome to Mount Pulag. And in this video, I will do a photo safari with Jallorina. Alright, so let's go. Standing tall as Luzon's highest mountain, Mount Pulag is known as the playground of the gods because of its majestic landscapes, sea of clouds, and heavenly skies. I'll share with you my experience exploring and documenting this mountain. Arriving in Baguio, I joined a photography tour group under Jallorina. He organizes this trip for people who want to shoot landscapes around Mount Pulag. We hopped in a large jeepney and head to our first stop, Pecan Joe. Pecan Joe. Serrano. No, it's one of the oldest stops here before we head up to Pulag. Apparently, I noticed there are some celebrities who actually visit here, so it's been here for a while. Afterwards, we head to the DENR office to register and attend an orientation. Then, we drop by the ranger station to hire porters to carry our camping and photography gear. So we are now here at the ranger station, and right now we are currently doing a weigh-in for our stuff. Each porter can carry a maximum of 15 kilos, and what I noticed, majority of the porters here are actually women. We then start our hike via Ambangeg trail. This is the easiest trail out of the 4 trails of Pulag. You will encounter here some pine trees, mossy forests, and grasslands. Depending on the person's pacing, hiking this trail will take around 4 hours to reach to campsite 2. But for me, there's no rush in heading to the destination, as the path gives a refreshing moment to admire the different areas of the mountain. A mossy oak tree. Pretty cool. You guys should not miss things like these in Mount Pulag. When we're about to see the grasslands, campsite 2 is just around the corner. Whew. After a while, we finally arrived at campsite 2. Whew, that was a nice workout. Before I show you the rest of what this mountain has to offer, let me introduce to you the person who organized this trip.
Hi, my name is Jallorina. I'm a landscape photographer. I'm also a commercial photographer. I mostly shoot landscapes. I've been a landscape photographer for over 15 years. And for the commercial side of my work, I shoot mostly architecture and property development like DMCI homes, Rockwell, and such. And aside from that, I also do photography tours for other fellow photographers. Pulagscapes is a annual photography tour that I've been doing here in Mount Pulag since 2010. So I organized Pulagscapes. I got together a team that would provide everything that a photographer would need here on a climb to Mount Pulag. So I have a cook, I have someone who would fix the tents, who do organize things. I do help as well. But the intention is to allow photographers to take care of all their logistical needs, their tents, their accommodations, their meals, their permits, even porters for carrying their stuff up here during the hike. So they would have 100%, or they're fully focused 100% on what they do. And every year I bring an average of 20 to 30 photographers up here to Mount Pulag. And I do this once a year because, we want to respect the place and we don't want it to be, to add to the already growing number of tourists here. So kind of also help to make the activity sustainable. And the good thing with Pulagscapes as well is that we work closely with Pulag DNR, so we follow all the rules, we attend all the briefings, and we submitted their registration requirements, like submitting a medical certificate that you are fit to climb Mount Pulag. So we are ensuring that the activity is safe and it follows all the regulations of the park.
Before exploring the grasslands, we made sure we were properly layered. It is advisable to wear at least 4 to 5 layers because underestimating the weather would be a difference of a fun, memorable experience versus a cold and freezing encounter. One of the itineraries Jay has planned for us is to shoot different areas around campsite 2. After setting up our camp, we headed to our first location shoot, Transmitter Peak. Here, it features an old transmitter where it pretty much has enough signal for you to connect. And we were lucky enough to see the sea of clouds. Okay, I just set up my camera for time-lapsing, and if you look behind me, sea of clouds. You see what I mean? The next location, we left the campsite early to head to the summit. Reaching to the summit actually tested our physical strength, and it took us around an hour to get there. It may look hard to reach, but the 360-degree view is worth it. To be honest, guys, we left the campsite at 3:30 a.m. in the morning to catch the sunrise, which is what Mount Pulag is known for. So we got our tripods out, our cameras ready with some filters. I'm using the Fujifilm X-A7 with the 10 to 24 mil with a Serrano tripod and filters. I really find landscape photography more of a waiting game. It's something that you need to prepare for, especially to catch this 6 a.m. shot. I'm pretty excited to process this when I get home. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Another shooting location is actually around our campsite. Honestly, the best time to shoot this location is either early in the morning or staying up for the astrophotography. I have to say that for someone who is so fond of documenting my travels, joining this photo tour gave me a chance to meet like-minded people and enhance my skills as a photographer, without the hassle of taking care of the logistics, and just be purely immersed by this one-of-a-kind experiential tour. Alrighty guys, this ends my video about Mount Pulag, and I would like to give a special thanks to Jallorina for inviting me for this photo safari. If you guys like this video, please share your support and share this video to your friends. If you want to be updated in my next vlog venture, please like, follow, and subscribe to my social media pages. This is Serrano signing out, and I will see you in my next vlog venture. See you guys!